Hi everyone, today we're going to be making banana sushi. So what you're going to need is 1 banana, peanut butter or almond butter, whatever you prefer, honey, and Cheerios. But you can choose your favorite type of cereal or something else to give it a crunch. Okay, so I'm going to start by cutting my banana. I like to cut off the ends first. Here we go. And then I peel my banana. Awesome. Now what I'm gonna do next is get my peanut butter. Open that up. And just gently smear the peanut butter. My peanut butter has peanuts already, just because I like crunchy. I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, so that is looking awesome. Cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my honey. This is a very big jar of honey. I'm going to grab a spoon. I'm just gonna get a little tiny bit. Then I'm going to use my finger to help pour and smear the honey onto the banana. I think I put too much on this side. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab my Cheerios and just place them on top. Okay. Now I'm going to stick my banana into the freezer for about 10 minutes, and then we are going to cut it up into slices so we can enjoy. Now that my banana has been in the freezer for about 10 minutes, I can begin to cut it into slices. So I'm going to be very careful. Now I can separate them a little bit because they are just about ready to enjoy. Okay. I can grab my chopsticks, or if you don't have any chopsticks, you can still use your fingers because of course sushi is finger food. So here I go. I'm not the best chopstick user, but I have plenty of time to practice. Oh, it fell. Got it.